Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to zoom in video in Filmora, keyframe simple zoom in animation, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. Right after you have opened that, it's time to import the media that you want to use. So we have the import media option in here. Click onto this to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop the videos, photos, or music that you want to use. So as you can see, I've added some videos and clips already in here. So to add this here onto the timeline, simply click onto the plus icon to proceed. So I've added one already in here, and we'll have to go ahead and add in a keyframe simple zoom into this clip here. So as you can see, we have this one in here, and we're gonna go ahead and hover onto a part when we want to go ahead and add in a zoom in. So for example, onto this part, we want this to be zoomed in. What we need to do, just go ahead and have this onto the first part of the clip, and then right after, under video and basic, we have here the scale. So just make sure that this one is logged out, and we're gonna add a keyframe for this. So as you can see, that will add in a diamond icon here onto the first part, and then we're gonna go ahead and move this onto the part wherein we want to go ahead and add in a zoom in. So we're gonna go ahead and add in a keyframe again in here, but this time we're gonna go ahead and make this one bigger, just like this. So as you can see, we have made that one bigger, and if you want to go ahead and make that zoomed out, you could go ahead and do the same thing, but you'll just have to lessen the amount for that. Now if you do a quick preview, this is now how it turns out. So as you can see, it did created a zoom in using keyframe here in Filmora. And if you think that tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.